What if I told you that your immune system can become stronger, faster, and more resilient, all through what you eat? Yes, no pills, no expensive supplements, just natural, real foods that can help your body fight infections, heal quicker, and keep you feeling unstoppable. Here are the top 10 immune-boosting foods you must eat to protect your body and live a healthier, stronger life. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach isn't called a superfood for nothing. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants, spinach gives your immune system the nutrients it needs to create white blood cells that fight infections. It's also high in beta-carotene, which strengthens your body's defense against harmful bacteria and viruses. The trick is not to overcook it. Lightly steaming or eating it raw in salads helps preserve its nutrients. A cup of spinach a day can make a huge difference in keeping your immune system strong and active. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like this video. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to bring you more health-boosting content every week. Number 2. Honey. Nature's golden medicine, honey, has been used for centuries for healing. It's not just sweet, it's packed with antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. Honey helps soothe sore throats, fights harmful bacteria, and can even help your body recover faster from colds and flu. Add a spoonful of raw honey to warm water, tea, or lemon juice every morning to give your body a natural boost. Just remember, it's best to use raw or organic honey, not the overly processed kind you find in supermarkets. Number 3. Carrots. Carrots are more than a crunchy snack. They're a shield for your immune system. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes, your body's first line of defense against infections. Carrots also help protect your respiratory system from common viruses and bacteria. Try drinking fresh carrot juice or adding them to your soups and salads. It's a delicious way to give your immunity a daily boost. Number 4. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines aren't just good for your heart, they're incredible for your immune system. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body and improve the function of immune cells. They also provide vitamin D, which many people lack, and low vitamin D levels are linked to higher risks of infection. Aim for 2 servings per week to keep your immune defenses strong and your body feeling vibrant. Number 5. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with vitamin C, flavonoids, and antioxidants that help your immune system respond more effectively to infections. These compounds protect your cells from free radical damage, one of the main causes of immune weakness. Studies show that people who regularly eat berries have lower inflammation and fewer colds during flu season. Blend them into smoothies, sprinkle them over oatmeal, or just eat a handful a day for a powerful health boost. Number 6. Ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It's loaded with gingerol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger helps reduce sore throats, clear congestion, and even relieve nausea when you're sick. Drinking ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals can help your immune system stay alert and ready to fight off infections. It's especially effective during colder months when colds and flu are most common. Number 7. Almonds. When it comes to immune health, vitamin E is just as important as vitamin C, and almonds are one of the best natural sources. This vitamin acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage while helping your immune system respond more efficiently. Just a small handful, around 6 to 8 almonds daily, provides enough vitamin E to meet your body's daily needs. They also contain healthy fats that help your body absorb other essential nutrients. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic is truly nature's antibiotic. It contains allicin, a powerful compound that boosts your immune system's ability to fight off viruses and bacteria. Garlic also helps lower blood pressure and supports heart health, making it a double win for your body. For best results, crush or chop fresh garlic. Let it sit for 10 minutes to activate the allicin, then add it to your meals. Just 1 clove a day can give your body a strong shield against infections. Number 9. Citrus fruits. When it comes to boosting immunity, citrus fruits are the classics for a reason. Oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, and tangerines are packed with vitamin C, which helps increase the production of white blood cells, your body's infection-fighting army. Vitamin C also shortens the duration of colds and helps wounds heal faster. Start your day with fresh orange juice, add lemon to your water, or eat a grapefruit for breakfast. It's a refreshing way to keep your immune system running strong. Number 10. Broccoli. Rounding off our list is broccoli, one of the healthiest vegetables on the planet. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and antioxidants, all of which are essential for a strong immune system. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a compound that activates your body's natural detox processes and strengthens immune cell activity. To get the most from it, eat it lightly steamed or raw. Overcooking it can destroy some of its powerful nutrients. It's no exaggeration to say that a few servings of broccoli a week can help keep illness away. So, there you have it, the top 10 immune-boosting foods you must eat to keep your body strong, energized, and resistant to illness. Incorporate these foods into your daily diet, and you'll notice a real difference: fewer sick days, faster recovery, and more energy to take on life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future health and nutrition videos. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.